Okay, here we have the Cooper's Dark Ale. This Cooper Dark Ale is, again, a little bit of a darker ale, so expect that to be the case. If you're looking for something similar, another option would be maybe a little bit darker, would be the Ruby Porter that we sell. If you're looking for something a little bit less dark, you could try their Amber Ale, the Thomas Cooper Amber Ale. That's a good option. This is done in about 3 to 4 weeks, depending on how you want to ferment it, and it's drinkable by then. And then it makes about 2 2/4 and a half. What's included is a yeast pack on the top and some instructions, and it's a tearaway for this. Some things that you would like to add to this Cooper's kit is always either some dextrose or some malt. I try and do the darker the beer, the darker the malt that I add on, if you want to do that as an add-on. Some people also put in the maltodextrin in there as well. So there's a couple of options for you when it comes to the dark ale. The description of it is rich mahogany color, roasted malt aromas with a hint of chocolate, generous mouthfeel, balanced hop bitterness, creamy head, and dry finish.